218 says to solve for z in each equation below. A is 4 exponent z equals 8. And in order to solve this, both numbers need to have the same base, and 2 to the power of 2 equals 4, and 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. So then you get 2 to the power of 2z equals 2 to the power of 3. And then, because they have the same base, you can now set the exponents equal to each other. So then you get 2z equals 3. If you divide all of that by 2, you get z equals 3 over 2. B is 4 to the power of 2z divided by 3 equals 8 to the power of z plus 2. Okay, again, you need to have them, get them to have the same base. So then you get 2 to the power of 2 times 2z divided by 3 equals 2 to the power of 3 times z plus 2. And then, because they have the same base, again, you can set the exponents equal to each other. So then you get 2 times 2z divided by 3 equals 3 times z plus 2. And then if you distribute each of the equations, you get 4z over 3 equals 3z plus 6. And then to isolate z, you need to multiply both sides by 3. So then you get 4z equals 9z plus 18. And then if you subtract 9z from both sides, you get negative 5z equals 18. And then you divide both sides by negative 5, and then you get z equals negative 3.6, or negative 3 and 3/5. Okay, c is 3 to the power of z equals 81 squared. Okay, again, with the same bases, you need to get them the same base. So 3 to z equals 3 to the 4th power times 2. And then, again, the exponents can be set equal to each other because the bases are the same. So you get z equals 4 times 2, so z equals 8. Okay, d is 5 to the power of z plus 1 divided by 3 equals 25 to the power of 1 divided by z. Okay, you need to get them to have the same bases, so 25, you could make that into 5 to the power of 2. So then 5 to the power of z plus 1 divided by 3 equals 5 to the 2nd power times 1 divided by z. And then once you set the exponents equal to each other, you get z plus 1 divided by 3 equals 2 times 1 divided by z. To isolate z, you need to multiply both sides by 3, and then you get z plus 1 equals 6 over 2. And then you have to multiply both sides again by z, and then you get z squared plus 1 equals 6. And then if you subtract 1 for both sides, you get z squared equals 5, so z is the square root of 5.